Good morning. I am Manav and this is our team one. And these are our team members Sarthak, Shubhdeep, Hanshika and Nivedita. We have formed our team to tackle a critical situation on dog attacks towards human beings and ensuring human safety.
Every year, millions of dog attacks are reported. And behind those numbers are real people. Families are torn apart, children are scared for their lives. And even 36% of all the dog attacks victims are children under the age of 15. Yet the response is flawed. The dogs are punished for playfulness and even fear. Thank you.
Our team has made a solution for this. The solution is Smart Collar. It has two parts, a deterrent system and a tracking system. The deterrent system is controlled by Arduino Nano. It is the main motherboard. Deterrent system is used for the heartbeat, vibration and motion of the dog so that we can know that it is aggressive or not. We also use KY038 module for sensor for the Arduino and the vibration sensor for the SW15520.
So let me show you how this deterrent system works. Can you please give the camera closer? See, this is our project. This is a breadboard. This is the main motherboard which controls everything. We have two sensors here. One is vibration sensor and one is sound sensor. Motion sensor we didn't connect because it didn't work with the Arduino. So see, when I'm vibrating, nothing happens. When I speak into it, it happens because when two sensors are triggered at the same time, the alarm works. Mostly what happens in today's real callers is that first there is no GPS system. So we have also included GPS system to show you. So let me show it. See. See, this is coming. This is happening because of the antenna is indoors. But when it will go outdoors, it will catch the satellite rays and it will connect with satellites for the real-time location of the dog. Mostly, what happens with smart collars is that dog is punished for being fear or playful while barking. That's why we have developed a collar with two or more sensors. That which would means detect the aggression of a dog only and not the playful or fear behavior.
This dual system helps the people from preventing themselves from the dog bite. We have made one app named Paw to Papa, which helps the NGO and MCG by giving them the quick data for quick management. Thank you.